Apple cider vinegar is versatile and has full benefits for our body. It can cure hiccups, relieve cold symptoms and help with high cholesterol or overweight. Read about 15 benefits of apple cider vinegar and why it shouldn't be missing in your pantry. 1. It eliminates stomach problems. One of the oldest ways to use apple cider vinegar is against stomach cramps and nausea. If you have an upset stomach, drink a glass of water mixed with a tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar. It will cure the bacteria and help soothe the stomach with its antibiotic properties. Experts say that apple cider vinegar also contains pectin, which also helps relieve intestinal cramps. 2. It eliminates hiccups. Do you have hiccups and don't know how to make it stop? Take a teaspoon of vinegar. Its sour taste will stop the hiccups in minutes. 3. It soothes sore throat. As soon as you feel a tickle in your throat, mix a mixture of 1/4 a cup of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 a cup of warm water. Gargle the mixture every hour. Vinegar will kill bacteria and soothe the throat. 4. It lowers cholesterol. Study in 2006 found that apple cider vinegar also lowers bad cholesterol. We can use it in salads or drink it every morning with some water for ultimate effect. 5. It prevents digestive disorders. Try an old folk trick: stir 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into a glass of warm water and drink 30 minutes before a meal. This will prevent unpleasant digestive disorders. 6. It cleans stuffy nose. At the next cold, grab an apple cider vinegar and try this next trick. Mix a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it. Vinegar contains potassium, which thins the mucous membrane, and the acid in it prevents the growth of bacteria. 7. It helps with weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can also help with weight loss. The acid in it suppresses appetite, increases metabolism and reduces water retention. Scientists also claim that it interferes with the digestion of starch in the body, which means that the body absorbs fewer calories. 8. It eliminates dandruff. The benefits of apple cider vinegar can also be used for hair and skin. For example, in eliminating dandruff. Its acidity is supposed to change the pH of your scalp, making yeast harder to grow. Mix 1/4 cups of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 cups of water and spray the mixture on the scalp. Wrap in a towel and leave for 15 minutes, then wash your hair as usual. 9. It cleans acne. Apple cider vinegar is also a great natural toner for our skin. It acts as a natural remedy against acne. Its antibacterial properties help control acne, and the acids in it soften the skin, reduce red spots and balance the pH of the skin. 10. It strengthens energy. Exercise and sometimes extreme stress in our body cause the formation of lactic acid, which results in fatigue. Interestingly, the amino acids found in apple cider vinegar act as an antidote. Vinegar also contains potassium and enzymes that ease the feeling of tiredness. So in the morning, you can also mix a tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar into your smoothie. 11. It relieves leg cramps. Cramps in the legs are often a sign that we are deficient in potassium, which is one of the many benefits of apple cider vinegar. Mix 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a teaspoon of honey in a glass of warm water and drink. 12. It removes bad breath. Bad breath is often caused by bacteria that develop in the mouth and stomach. Gargling apple cider vinegar will destroy unwanted bacteria that cause an unpleasant odor. 13. White teeth. Gargling vinegar helps with removing stains on the teeth. You can gargle the vinegar in the morning and then brush your teeth as usual. 14. It helps to cure bruises. One of the good properties of apple cider vinegar is also its anti-inflammatory properties, so try the following trick: drip some vinegar on a cloth and place it on the bruise. The vinegar will help to discolor and the bruise will disappear faster. 15. It helps to control blood sugar. Several different studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can also have a positive effect on blood sugar. Participants in one study drank 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar each night and woke up the next morning with lower blood sugar. Another study at the University of Arizona, however, found that a glass of water with apple cider vinegar before a meal lowered blood sugar levels. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.